As parents, we spend an awful amount of time having to socialize our children. But there's a difference between socializing and trying to attempt to change the child.
I hope nobody else has to just feel as alone as I felt. Yes, PTSD impacts your parenting. You're not alone with this, and I'm not alone with this.
Working to heal your trauma and your attachment wounds is the most loving thing that you could possibly do as a parent. It's not that you won't get lost. It's not that you won't miss a step. You'll simply have more compassion for yourself and you'll recover more easily.
I literally think you wrote the best book on childhood anxiety that I have ever read.